Hello everyone, it's Thursday afternoon, beautiful afternoon. Look at that wonderful, beautiful sky. Anyways, we're here, we're going to take a look at one of the new units we just got in. It is a 2021. Yes, the 21s are coming in. Grand Design Reflection, and it is the 340 RDS. And you know how I know that? Because it says it right there. Check it out. Hi Clara.
Hi guys.
So, how much do you like this unit?
I love it. Do you know why I like it even more? Because Kim said it was in. Sorry, Kim. She's one of my customers.
Clara didn't even know it was here yet.
Well, it's 3 days old.
I know.
So, come and take a look. Look at the basement on this, eh?
Huge, huge,
It's
huge.
huge. And you can see over in the back corner there, the auto-stabilizing jack.
Oh, okay.
And then you have your battery disconnect. But look at the size of this. I call this here the doghouse for the
I like how it's nice and finished too, right?
Yeah, no wires exposed.
Yeah.
Aluminum frame, you can see by that. You have
All
your door handle. Now come and take a look at this.
Okay, you go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
You go first.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Right inside here. Right here, you got your fuse panel
fuse
right
panel
at the
right
door.
there. Nice.
Yep, I like it.
Okay.
Come and see this. Look at this counter. Look at this is where your sink is.
That's a pretty big sink.
Yeah, we call it the farm sink.
The farm sink.
Pull down handle.
Nice.
Clean it off. And then up above here, look at all the cupboards. Look at them. Right there. I need a ladder.
Yes, you do.
Heck, I need a ladder for
You're
the first
short.
shelf.
You're short.
Yeah, look at
Okay.
you have your pod lights
Pot
up
lights,
here.
yeah.
Light furnace down under here. This is beautiful.
Okay,
Nice,
so,
eh?
and,
Now, look at this table.
okay, so this here, wait, I got a bad glare. Move.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go to the other side. Okay.
Yeah.
So we've seen one with a bench before, and that was in one of the park models, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
This is a different bench.
different bench. Okay.
So this is out of the way, so you're not going to use it. Just tuck it away so you have more room here.
Right.
But if you need to use it, there's a little knob underneath the table here, and that releases it.
Okay.
Pull it out, you turn it, slide it, lock it back into place.
All right.
Look at this puppy. Then you can get to sit around here.
Yep.
What's for dinner, Chappie?
I don't know.
I don't cook.
All right. What about the bench? I think we've got
now the bench.
we've got
you
some
can-
storage.
Yeah, but see, remember these are these new storage things. that
Oh, you can move it.
And use it in the big den at the back.
Oh, I like that.
Yep. So it can become a footstool.
Yeah, and you
if
can move
need
your
it.
chair around if you want. Okay.
This
Cool.
can be for like the 2 people.
Yeah.
Move that over there. Have a 2-seater.
All right. So let's. What do you want to do? Take a look at the kitchen here.
Oh, you got a big kitchen.
Yes, look at the
'Cause You
kitchen.
have this counter space.
Double
You have,
door
again,
fridge. That's a
the
huge fridge.
4-door.
Huge
Yeah,
fridge.
Huge. 4-door fridge.
Yeah.
Beautiful fridge. Then you come over around here. Look at how they did the cupboards up here.
I know. I like that. How it's a little bit.
Rounded.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it. Ugh. Then
You've
you have
still
your
got
your
regular microwave.
residential
pretty big, though.
microwave. Because you have your 3-burner stovetop and your big oven.
Yeah.
Remember, it's this oven that has a round thing at the bottom.
Yeah.
So
Is that
yeah, it'll ignite on
storage
its own.
underneath it?
And oh yeah, this is
Okay.
storage.
All right. So you
Not
know what I
those
really
ones.
like about this here?
What?
Look at, you've even got more counter
know.
cutting space.
Yeah,
Right?
You got a prep station on both
Yeah.
sides.
Because you don't. There's not always a lot of
Now,
extra
look
space. Okay. What?
The coffee pot electric, toaster electric.
Nice.
You've got your receptacles,
Receptacles.
or what do you call them?
Receptacles.
Receptacles. I told you I don't do any of that stuff.
Nice pantry.
Nice pantry here.
I like.
And you've got your motion sensor light here.
Oh, cool.
You open the door, boom,
Okay,
you
cool.
can see. Yep. Nice.
All right, so here's our living area.
Then
It's
you
very
have the
spacious.
den,
Yeah, you
yeah.
got your 2 slides.
My
Very
favorite
spacious.
seat because
I'm going to sit down too.
yeah, well, you got your the massage and the light and these.
So this is your Thomas
light.
Payne. This would
Yes.
be your reclining, heating, massage
Yep.
chairs.
This folds out to the trifold.
Okay.
This folds out to the trifold.
That's what I'm
You
sitting
have
on.
Your TV, obviously,
Okay.
the big fireplace.
Big fireplace.
Lots and lots of storage here and here, all the way through.
It's
all
crazy.
the way through. Pod lights are up here. Light for it is here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like the little finishing touches too. So right here above me, you've got like a nice little backdrop for your lights. What?
Light switch here for it.
Oh.
Yeah. And again, you have the
sneaky.
black. I love these.
The blackout vines.
Oh, I love
vines.
them.
There. See, I just
Yeah.
made a mistake too. Blinds.
Yeah. This is gorgeous. This is huge back here, right?
It is
Like,
huge.
we are
It is.
well over 6 feet apart, and this is huge.
I like it.
Love it.
Okay.
Now take a look back
Okay,
here.
what?
Stand here.
Okay.
And just look.
I know.
Isn't
It's
that
nice.
gorgeous?
It is nice. See if
Yeah,
I can
you have
zoom
the-
out a bit. No, I
look
can't.
at
Okay.
the high output fan here.
Yep.
So you don't have to, it's got a rain sensor on it too.
Okay.
So you've got the buttons, I'm sure, up here for it.
Okay.
Well, you get the dimmer here.
All right. I'm bored of looking at buttons. Let's go into the bedroom.
All right.
See what that looks like.
Oh, here they are, up here.
Oh, okay.
Right here. Big bath. Oh, look at the storage in here. Wow, you've got it open. And that's a full depth of the shower too, by the way.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's deep.
So is this one. So is this one. So this whole shelving system is the full depth of this shower.
Okay.
Whew, that's a lot of storage.
It is.
Towel rack. You've got the fan. You got your motion sensor light here.
Yeah.
Which is cool. Nice sink. Oh, nice size counter space. I like when they don't put that in. This year, toilet paper roll. You can put it wherever you want.
Oh, they don't install it. Okay.
No, because then you can
Yep.
put it where you want.
Yep.
Yep. And then this I love. You have a queen bed. I know a lot of people like
Oh,
king,
yeah.
but it's a queen bed, so then
Lots
it gives
of
you
space.
more room.
Walk
like, look,
around.
I'm not a thin girl, and I can walk here straight in. Love it. Love it.
Open up the closet. Because I need to see how much shoe storage there is.
Oh, well, you and your shoes. Look at the size of that.
It's a little dark. Let me back
Oh,
up.
stand
There we
back
go.
up.
Gonna.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's shelves on both sides.
Yep, and this is washer
dryer prep.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
There's a washer dryer prep.
Cool.
Yep, this is washer dryer ready.
All right, now over here on this side we do have a dresser.
Yeah, but you know what?
What?
There's
There it is.
electrical plug-ins on this side.
Oh, neat.
Yeah.
It's
Is
hard
there
to
one on
see.
this
It's
side?
kind of.
Nope, but there is electrical plug-ins here.
Right.
Yeah.
Great.
These are awesome. Look at the amount of drawers, and they're not thin. Like, or they're not.
Not flimsy.
No, and
Nice and
they're
sturdy.
deep.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. No, what's under the bed?
I don't know. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Whew.
Storage.
Now that's a nice. That'd be good for big blankets and that, eh?
Yes.
Nice and
And
light.
unfortunately, we're going to be needing those soon.
Whoa.
Which
so
I
don't wanna
hate.
Talk about it.
Anyways.
Yeah. Nice.
So,
vent in
good
the
sized
bathroom.
bedroom.
Yep, nice sized bedroom. Nice sized
Alright.
bathroom. But look at that kitchen and living room.
I know.
This,
I really like
This
this
is beautiful.
cooking area. I really, really
Yeah.
like it.
This
So-
is a beautiful, beautiful. And look at the size of this window. Like, holy.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
it's
This is
it's large. Oh, I
nice
love
size.
those.
Yeah, I love that, eh? Yeah, well, thanks,
All right.
Kim, for telling me it was here. Appreciate it.
So like I said, it's the 2021 Grand Design Reflection, the 340 RDS. So if you want to come and have a little look-see at this, give us a call or text 613-382-4400, and any of our sales professionals, including Clara, can help you out. Okay?
Thanks so much, guys.
Have a great day.
This is beautiful.
Bye.
Love it.